Welcome to PAT Manufacturing Solutions, your trusted partner for meat and food processing hygiene solutions. Maintaining hygiene is essential for food safety, efficiency, and compliance with international standards. PAT offers a complete range of hygiene equipment for food and meat processing facilities worldwide. From entryway control systems to automated cleaning stations, every solution ensures safety and reliability. This video highlights specialized hand and boot washing systems designed for plant personnel. Touchless operation and controlled sanitization help minimize contamination risks at critical entry points. Boot washers are engineered for high-throughput facilities, ensuring consistent cleaning across all footwear types. Automated washing cycles reduce labor while improving hygiene compliance inside sensitive plant zones. Integrated hand wash stations combine soap dosing, rinsing, and sanitization in one seamless process. These units are easy to maintain, with stainless steel construction for durability and long life. At the end of the shift, our boot dryers ensure footwear remains dry, sanitized, and ready. Controlled airflow and heating technology improve staff comfort and reduce bacterial growth. PAT Manufacturing Solutions delivers processing, packaging, and hygiene equipment tailored to your operations. Contact us today to discuss your requirements and secure reliable solutions for your facility.